A student told me that their teacher said that there was no way that they were going to get an A. 3 months later, they got an A. As much as exams are all about knowing what the content is, it's also about your confidence over your answers, because I bet you've done multiple choice questions before where you knew the answer, but you doubted yourself, you changed it, and your original answer was actually correct. It got to a point where she believed so deeply that she was not going to be able to do this because everybody around her told her she wouldn't be able to. It wasn't even about her not knowing the content, it was all about her not knowing the study techniques in order to study that subject. In this particular example, it was A-level chemistry, and I've been a tutor for 6 years, so I've seen a bunch of ranges of people doing study techniques in a different way. But what I find really helpful for a lot of students is visuals, and this was something that her teacher didn't teach her to do. Turning everything into mind maps, flow charts, and doing a bunch of practice. So starting off with chem sheets, then doing save my exams, then physics and math tutor questions. That's always the best workflow for A-level chemistry. But she didn't know this because nobody told her about it, and therefore she believed that she herself was the problem instead of just a technique. I myself went from an E to an A in my A-level chemistry, and it was something that I had to do for myself because nobody taught me how to do it. And I think it's the main reason why I'm able to teach students so easily with this, because I actually had to learn it from the ground up instead of just like knowing the knowledge, if that makes sense. So if you're in the same boat, trust me, you are not bad at the subject, you are just learning it wrong. Try out different study techniques until you see which one sticks. All the best, see you tomorrow.